Have you ever made a mistake or discovered an error after filing your income tax return in Canada? You're not alone. Many Canadians realize after submitting their tax return that they've missed something, entered erroneous information, or failed to claim a credit. Fortunately, the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, allows taxpayers to correct errors on their income tax return using a simple process. I will help guide you through a step-by-step process to fix any mistakes, so you don't miss out on the benefits you deserve. First, you'll need to determine if you need to correct your income tax return. Clerical errors, such as typos or misplaced zeros, won't require an adjustment request as the CRA will fix these when they process your tax return. However, incorrect information, claiming the wrong tax credits, or not claiming a tax credit that you're eligible for, will need a correction. Additionally, make sure you have received your notice of assessment before requesting an adjustment, as the CRA might have already corrected the error. Before you submit any corrections, you must wait for your Notice of Assessment, NOA, from the CRA. This notice will confirm the processing of your tax return and outline any adjustments or corrections that the CRA made. If you haven't received your NOA but have a question about your tax return, you can call the CRA to clarify the issue without having to submit an adjustment request. If you used tax software to file your income tax return, most programs offer a ReFile feature that allows you to adjust your return online. This feature is available for the current tax year and the 2 previous tax years. Simply update the necessary information in the tax software, select the ReFile option, and submit the changes. The CRA will process the adjustments and send you an updated NOA with the changes. Keep in mind that only individual tax returns can be adjusted online. Other tax returns, such as corporate or trust returns, will require a different process. If you prefer a paper method or did not use tax software, you can fill out a T1 Adjustment Request, T1ADJ, form. This form is available on the CRA website and can be used for any tax year. To complete the T1ADJ form, you'll need your personal information, tax year, the line number of the item you want to change, and the corrected amount. Additionally, you'll need to provide a brief explanation of the changes and attach any relevant supporting documents. Once completed, mail the form and supporting documents to the tax center that processed your original tax return. You can find the address on the CRA website or on your Notice of Assessment. Alternatively, you can make changes to your income tax return online by accessing your MyCRA account. This method is available for individual tax returns from the current year and 2 previous tax years. After logging into your MyCRA account, click on Change My Return, and follow the instructions to make the necessary adjustments. Be prepared to enter the line number of the items you want to change and the corrected amounts. Supporting documents may also be uploaded if needed. Upon submitting the changes, the CRA will review your corrections, and if accepted, will update your tax return and send a revised NOA. After submitting your adjustment request, be patient as the CRA may take up to 8 weeks to process the changes, depending on the method used and the time of year. You can check the status of your request on your MyCRA account, or by calling the CRA. Once your adjustment has been processed, be sure to review your updated Notice of Assessment to confirm your corrections and ensure your tax return accurately reflects your financial situation. By following these simple steps, you can correct any errors on your income tax return and ensure you receive the benefits you deserve. Although the process may seem daunting, quick action and clear communication with the CRA will help to minimize any potential issues and ensure a seamless tax experience.